guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Anne-Ellie and welcome. And so what I have for you guys today is I'm going to be trying out this Kiss beautiful brow kit. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Natural stencil on my brow, and pretty much I'm just placing it on top and then laying it flat and holding it with these two fingers. And I'll be grabbing the darkest shade on my palette and working this on the tail of my brow. And this is kind of, the little brush thing is a little bit too hard to hold, and I'm not sure if I'm digging this part just because it doesn't look like the tail is even gonna go that far. But we're just gonna go with it, with everything that came in it. And we're just gonna be shading this in. And then adding it a little bit darker here. And then I did pick up the lighter shade just to put it here on our beginning of the brow here. And then the darker shade on our tail. Okay. And it looks like that, which I'm not digging that whatsoever. But I'm just gonna go with it. And then next I'll be picking up the wax. And waxing these down so it says that it will last all day. And it's kind of smearing out, which is okay, I guess. And I'm just gonna brush out here just because I don't want that box looking brow. So I'm just gonna use a little spoolie that came with it just to blend everything out together. Okay, and then next I'm just gonna go ahead and go with, excuse me, the highlight. Oh, that is very pigmented. All right, now once I am done with my brow, now I'm just gonna give my honest opinion about it, about the beautiful brow kit by Kiss. And first I wanna talk about is the little palette here. It's just super cute and the pigmentation is great. I had no problems with it. I'm digging the colors. It was just a perfect match for me. I mostly use the darker side for the tail and the lighter side for the beginning of our brow. And then as for the highlight, I'm really digging it. It was just like blinding. I'm digging that. And as for the wax too, it was just very easy to use. Everything was just very easy to use. It was very blendable. And what I didn't like was the little brushes and spoolie that came on with the thingy here, which I just tried it for just to see how well they work, and I'm not digging it. It was just a little bit hard to use. It's just like super little tiny, and I mean it's cute and all, but I just didn't like the brush here. And let me just show you how it looks. It looks a little bit thick for my taste. So yeah, so that was that. And I didn't use this only because I've already trimmed my eyebrows way before. And so now I'm going to talk about the stencils. I didn't like the stencils at all, just in my opinion, just because they're a little bit too thin for me. And I like a little bit thicker brows, but, did I say brows? But brows. So yeah, so I still used it just for the video purposes, just to try it out, just see how well it works. But I did use it as I showed you guys, and it gave me a little, somewhat like a little, it looked kind of weird here, but I just blended out with the brush, and it was just very easy to use. So I don't know, maybe it'll work for you guys if you kind of like the little thinner brows for your liking or whatever. But so yeah, so this is pretty much the end of my video, and if you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.